Hey there, Nate Ridgeway here, and if you've made it this far, it's because somewhere out there on the internet you've clicked on an ad and you thought, okay, I'm gonna check out and see what this goals workshop is all about. Let me tell you a little bit about me if you've not been following me for a while. My name's Nate Ridgeway, and I'm just a guy who knew that I was meant for more and I wanted to do big things with my life, and so I was always setting these really big goals that just were out of my reasonable reach at the time. Not that I could never reach them, but I would set goals like I'm gonna make $1 million by the end of this year when I was making like $20,000 a year. Or I would set these goals that were so small that they weren't even inspirable enough for me to even really go after. So I was just a really bad goal setter. And I was sitting in a seminar several years ago where I heard a guy from stage say that goal setting is a skill that must be developed over time. And I remember that just kind of set into me, and I thought, you know what? I think he's right. I think that that's true. So you can imagine what happened for me. I went on a quest to figure out how to be a great goal setter. And I started like reading books on personal development and watching videos and listening to audios and going to seminars and really working on disciplining my goal setting ability. And as I became a better goal setter, I was able to become a better goal achiever. And that's what the Goals Workshop is all about. I tell you what, if you've ever struggled with goal setting, if you're one of those over-under people like I was, or maybe you just haven't found your rhythm and groove in being able to set goals and to execute on those goals so that you're getting the things out of life that you want to get, then I think the goal setting workshop just might be for you. And you know what? It's not going to be $97 or $197 or $297. $27, you guys. $27 you can get in class, and we're going to spend a good 90 minutes together in a master class where I'm going to help you to chisel out goals, not only that you can achieve, but goals that you're going to feel good about because they're going to be congruent with the truest part of who you are. So go ahead, hit the button that's down below this video, jump in class, only $27, and I can't wait to see you there with everybody else.